Hi my friends, and welcome back to our Yokogawa CENTUM VP tutorials. And in previous lesson we added some logic to our programs. Let's open the system view. So my friends, we added the signals for our common switch, and this one, the signals, and also we add the tags for our for our output signals, for our input signals, they're open and closed, and we are configuring the timers. And my friend, in this lesson we will add the logic firstly for the first connect our new tags to valve data block for valve blocks, and then we will make a change in the LC for the 64 blocks. So let's start and add our process input output variables, but before I want to open the common switch. Okay, let's start from here and copy this one and add the insert functional blocks and link block process input output, and here add this one, and then no, firstly I think we need to add the interlock int. Okay, let's do it like this and then change the place. And here another one, tracking TCI, and next one is the interlock CT, and also we need the opened and closed. Interlock C, copy, paste, and also, as I said before, we need the closed and opened. So let's open our node, our input, and opened and closed. Let's copy this one and add it here, paste, and also we need the closed and add it here. And now my friends, let's delete this one and also this one and this one, and here add the opened, closed, and then we need the tracking TCI and tracking CT, interlock CT, sorry. And now let's connect this one. We need to connect it with insert the wiring, this one to here, this one to here, open to here, and close to here, and this one to here, and this one to here. And also, my friends, I think we need to add some text here to know in the future when you open these blocks, you will easily find how why we need these inputs or outputs to our blocks. I have this here. Okay, let's add here the insert text, and here let's have some problems with the text. No, sorry, like this. Okay, here the interlock SV input, interlock SW input, press enter, and the next one is the operation interlock, operation interlock. Next one is valve open and valve close. Valve open and valve close. Valve close. And next one is the tracking SV input, tracking W input. I made a mistake in input word, and here let's write the terminal tip. So my friends, now interlock is the input, interlock. And let's add it here. Also, let's. Okay, it's our interlock. It's the input. The next one is the operation interlock. Let's add it here and resize it. The next one is the valve open, and also resize this one. Valve open and valve close. Valve close here. Tracking is TCI and tracking is the input. And the last one is the terminal trip. So my friends, we finished the first part of our logic, and also if you want to learn more about this block, you can use the online help. And also if you want to learn about the inputs of this block, you can open the details. And here we have the connection. Yes, we have connection, and here we have the you have your inputs and the outputs of our blocks. So let's close it and save our logic and check if we have errors. So now we have the we have the problems, and I think you know what is the problem. We must change the name of our inputs and outputs. So let's do it like this, because let's first do the store this input in our memory, interlock for int1, interlock int for in1, and let's change now. First let's change it for the int. Press enter. This one for the in. So for the in1 and in2. In1 will leave without the changing, and in2 this one for TCI, TCI, and this one for the TT. Now let's save it again. Now we don't have any errors and warnings, and now let's check the connection type again. Now you see our inputs is changed with the comments. Lock int CCI, yes. So my friends, that's all for today, and we will continue our lessons about MC-2E, and I wish you good health and good life. Subscribe to our channel and hit the like button if you enjoy the video. See you in the next lesson.